today we have carried out a special drive. In fact, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has asked us to carry out drives to check the transportation of food, because many times we focus on the restaurants, but transportation chain is also important. So today we have come to see of how the food is coming in, whether the proper storage conditions are maintained, and if there are any non-compliances, and who is booking the food also, so whether the food is going to the right people. So we have started early in the morning today at around 5:30. The teams have arrived and the checks are going on. So more or less we have seen that few of them are very compliant. They are carrying out proper icing, and also we have drawn samples and we have allowed them to take the stock. One or two non-compliances are there where the consignments are booked with from people who don't have licenses. So such consignments we have detained. We are carrying out the further investigation in these cases.
What exactly?
Some ready-to-eat products like these aloo tikkis and all, which were booked by some cloud kitchen. They don't have a license, so we have currently detained that. And there are some masala items without labels, and also all such items have been detained. We have to book them under the Food Safety and Standards Act, and we will also be intimating FSSAI.